Welcome back to Fueled by Plants. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make homemade delicious green juice. And all you're going to need is just a few ingredients and a few items. So I'm going to show you the ingredients that you're going to need. Number one, some kale. Number two, sliced apples. And number three, pineapples. Now, all you need is 3 ingredients, okay? Number one, you're gonna need a blender. Number two, you're gonna need mason jars. Number 3 is a cheesecloth or a nut bag, all right? So 3 ingredients, 3 items. Now you're ready to start making some green juice. You have your green juice all blended up, okay? Have all blended up. Now what you want to do is you want to grab your cheesecloth or your nut bag. Right here I have a nut bag. So you get your cheesecloth, your nut bag. So now you get you a canister to actually filter the juice from the pulp, just to hold your juice to use your nut bag, all right? Now, last but not least, let's try it out, okay? See how it tastes. That tastes amazing. It's very good. So, till next time, fuel yourself. Don't fool yourself. I'm gonna go drink some more green juice, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.